Hello, my warriors. Are you assembled? Let's get started. Morphology of flowering plants, part 1, with my anime. Hello. Today we are discussing about the morphology of flowering plants. Now, what are the points to remember? In this chapter, we can see the morphology of flowering plants. What is morphology? The study of various external features of the organisms is known as morphology. Adaptation. What is the adaptation? Any alteration in the structure or function of an organism or any of its part that results from natural selection and by which the organisms become better fitted to the survival, and also they can multiply in the environment. Now we are discussing about the root. What is root? Root derives from the radicle of the seed. What are the types of roots? These are mainly three types. One is taproot, second is fibrous root, and the third one is adventitious roots. Now, taproots originates from the radical part. It is seen mainly in dicots. Gram, pea, mango are the examples. Fibrous roots. It derives from the base of the stem. It is seen in monogot plants. Wheat, paddy, grasses are the examples. And adventitious roots, it derives from the other parts of the plant except radical. Example, banyan tree, which is prop root, maize, which is tilt roots, and rhizophora, these are the respiratory roots. Now, we can see all the examples in the diagram. First one is taproot, second one is fibrous root, then prop root, stilt root, and last one is mangroves, that is pneumatophores, that is respiratory roots. Now we can see the structure of the root tip and the root parts. What are the parts? Zone of maturation is the first part. It is differentiated and mature cells and some epidermal cells from the thread-like root hairs. Now, the zone of elongation we can see in the picture. Cells get elongated in the zone of elongation. Next one is zone of meristematic activity. The cells have the capability to divide, and last one is the root cap. It is the most apical part of the root. Now we are discussing about modification of root. For support, the prop root of banyan tree and stilt root of sugarcane is the most favorable examples. For respiration, the mangrove roots, that is pneumatophore. For storage purpose, the roots are divided into conical, that is Deccus carota, fusiform, that is Raphana sativa or radish, napiform root, that is Beta vulgaris, and tuberous root, that is the example of Mirabilis jalapa. Next morphology is stem. What is stem? Stem is the aerial part of the plant. It develops from the plumule of the embryo. It bears nodes and internodes. Now, what are the modification of stem? Number one modification is the food storage. It is rhizome, that is ginger, tuber, that is potato, bulb or onion, corm or colocasia. For support, stem tendrils of watermelon, grapevine or cucumber. Next one is protection purpose. Axillary buds stem converts into thorns, that is citrus and bougainvillea. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is